Well, as you can tell, I decided on a new mower and I'm really excited about it. I did end up going with the TimeMaster after taking a test drive with it over up at Jeremy's place. It just sold me. I really enjoyed doing that, and here it is. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. Okay, here it is, Toro TimeMaster 30-inch deck. Another thing that I really like, the deck sits outside the wheelbase, so you get 30 inches every time on every pass, and that's what I'm most excited about. Going to save a lot of time there. Of course, it has the personal pace drive system, constant motor running, so you can engage the blades here and then just lean in and it will go at your own pace. Really love that. I have it on my snowblower and it's awesome. Then of course, you have the rubber tires, I like that. And the deck, you can adjust on one side, here and here, it's done. On my other mower, I had to do all four wheels. And sometimes you get caught off guard and you miss. This, it's 1, 2, and you're done. The other thing that I really like is how easy it is to adjust the handle. You just push on that blue lever and you move it where you want, clicks right in, and you're done. On my other mower, it wasn't so easy. I had to loosen a nut here, loosen a nut here, pull out the screw, put it to where I wanted it to be, and then retighten the nuts. This is just way easier. Okay, so really all that's left to do at this point is put some oil in it, put some gas in it, and wait for the grass to grow. It should be just a couple more days before I can get out and give it its first run at my yard and start enjoying it. So with that, thank you for watching. We'll very much look forward to getting this thing out in the yard and saving a lot of time. So again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.